Welcome back, curious minds, to another episode of KnowHook Facts, your go-to source for snackable knowledge. Today, we're diving into a delectably divisive topic that's sure to stick with you: peanut butter. But we're not just talking about any old peanut butter. We're talking about the great divide between creamy and chunky, a divide that surprisingly seems to follow geographic lines. If you're listening from the East Coast of the United States, chances are you prefer your peanut butter smooth and creamy. But if you're tuning in from the West Coast, you might just be a fan of the extra crunch that comes with chunky peanut butter. Intrigued? We thought you might be. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to ensure that you never miss out on such fascinating fare. After all, whether you slather it on toast, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it straight from the jar, peanut butter is a staple in many households. But did you know that your preference for creamy or chunky peanut butter may be influenced by where you live? That's right. The peanut butter aisle is more than just a grocery store section. It's a microcosm of regional tastes. On the East Coast, folks generally reach for the smooth, creamy variety. Perhaps it's the influence of certain brand origins, or maybe the creamy texture complements their fast-paced lifestyle. On the other hand, the West Coast is all about that extra crunch. Could this preference be inspired by regional cuisine influences, celebrating the rugged, adventurous spirit of the West? Or maybe it's the result of local peanut varieties that lend themselves better to a chunkier texture. The reasons behind this divide are as varied and complex as the people themselves. But one thing is certain: the creamy versus chunky debate is a testament to the rich diversity that flavors our nation. So, think about this next time you're in a grocery aisle contemplating your peanut butter allegiance. But the question remains: what does your peanut butter preference say about you? It's not just about taste or texture, it's a reflection of your cultural identity. The creamy versus chunky debate is a culinary curiosity that has morphed into a cultural phenomenon. Your choice of peanut butter, whether it's smooth as silk or brimming with crunch, might just be a delicious indicator of your regional identity. Just think about it. The East Coasters, with their smooth and creamy preference, might be mirroring the fast-paced, smooth-sailing lifestyle of their cities. On the other hand, the West Coasters, with their love for the chunky variety, could be reflecting their adventurous spirit, ready to crunch into any challenge that comes their way. This isn't confined to just peanut butter. Our food preferences are often a flavorful reflection of the diverse regional identities that make up this nation's palate. We hope that this fact has added a little flavor to your day. Now, we want to know, are you team creamy or team chunky? Drop a comment below to represent your side and tell us about other regional food facts you've encountered.